At Qunnect, we are building the next generation of telecommunications hardware to enable quantum-secure communications. Anytime you look at a newscast now, you're seeing that there's yet another cybersecurity attack, and that's because the technology itself is becoming dated. We know now that it's possible with powerful enough computers to be able to hack almost any type of information system. So we need to change the type of ways that we encrypt information in order to improve our cybersecurity. Quantum secure communications is all about changing the paradigm shift from mathematically encrypting information to physically encrypting information. We actually physically encrypt information onto particles of light, which are securely sent from the sender to the receiver. And if any eavesdropper actually interrupts that transmission, you can detect it almost instantaneously, making for a completely different level of cybersecurity than what we know now. We're building a core suite of 6 devices. At the very core of it are 2 devices, the device which creates the photon pair that I'm storing and sending, and the memory that actually stores at the sender itself, waiting for the transaction. Qunnect is commercializing. We have our first purchase order for a quantum memory. And to our knowledge, it's the first quantum memory to be sold globally, so it's an opportunity for people to now step in and actually try the tech. We applied to Luminate after we learned about the program because we were excited that there was an accelerator that was specifically focused on photonics technologies. We didn't have a lot of connections with the Rochester photonics region. So Luminate was an opportunity for us to build that network and see if we could start thinking about ways to work with Rochester companies for the types of things which a specialized community can actually feed into your company in terms of strategic partnerships. Luminate has a full roster of experts who come in to teach us about different things to help structure your business. This goes with some of the stuff which is literally very operational, which has to do with how do you deal with HR issues, how do you recruit the right people. Then there's the whole marketing piece of how are you actually marketing your company, how are you actively recruiting, how is that projecting out into the world so that we can actually attract more investment. It's all about pushing our dream product suite forward. We have several versions of this quantum memory which have been built. Quantum secure communications is all about trying to make an unhackable system.